Bye.
From Phuket. So this was a surprise trip from my beloved husband for my birthday, and I'm super happy to be here. I totally love this place. Today is my third day, which means that the last 2 days I did not vlog, obviously, but I do have some recommendations for you guys which I would love to share. And if you're planning to visit Phuket, don't forget that this place is all about just chilling. You just need to experience the local culture, hit the beautiful beaches, and it's the perfect island life, I must say. If you're looking for some budget trips, or if you're looking for a weekend getaway, this place is the place you need to come, trust me. And talking about the accommodation, there are a lot of options, right from 5-star experiences to 4-star hotels to even budget accommodation, so that's not at all a problem. So we are staying at the Burasari hotel, and I must tell you, it's beautiful. The reason why I love this property is because the staff are really caring, and what a warm welcome, guys. I really loved it. And the decor and the ambience, it's so rich in Thai culture. That's what I really love about this place. So it's not about going to a place and just staying in a 5-star or 4-star accommodation. It's about what you would take away from that place. So I really love that they're very rich in culture when it comes to food, decor, everywhere you can find a lot of inspirations from the Thai culture, which I really love. There are so many islands that are close to Phuket, so you can do like day trips. Like there are day trips to Phi Phi Island, James Bond Island. So I have a list of must-do things that you guys need to follow if you're visiting Phuket, and especially if it's your first time in Thailand. So without any further ado, let's quickly begin the video.
At number 5 on my list is Phuket street food. It's definitely a must try. They have a wide variety of street food to offer, right from seafood to desserts, fresh fruits and fruit juices and milkshakes to pad thai noodles to pizzas. They have it all. I was actually very astonished to see the variety of vegetarian and vegan options they had to offer. Phuket street food is usually budget friendly and hygienic, but for those of you who have food allergies or sensitivities, kindly be mindful of what you eat and where you eat. At number 4 on my list are the serene beaches of Phuket and the beach clubs. These white sandy beaches with turquoise blue waters have so many things to offer for all age groups. It's just so relaxing to spend an evening at the beach with your loved ones, witnessing the most gorgeous sunsets. It's actually very therapeutic, I must say. These beaches offer the most thrilling water sports like jet ski, snorkeling, scuba diving, kayaking, surfing, flyboarding, parasailing, water gliding, and many more. There are also a lot of shacks where you can rent out sunbathing chairs and order some food and beverages while you're getting that amazing time. And not to forget, they have some of the most happening beach clubs. One of my favorite beach clubs was definitely the Kudo Beach Club. They have the most amazing sunset view, great music and ambience, and the best crowd. At number 3 on my list is island hopping. Island hopping or day trips to the nearby islands are very common in Phuket. There are some of the most beautiful islands around Phuket like the Phi Phi Island and James Pond Island, which are like a must visit. There are many tour operators in Phuket. You can literally find them in every corner of the street. You can book your day trips through them. They offer like a complete package which includes like a pickup and drop from your hotel, speedboat ride to the island, your lunch, snorkeling kit and a guide. We did a day trip to the Phi Phi Island which covered 4 islands, the Phi Phi Don, Phi Phi Lake, Kai Island, Monkey Beach and the Maya Bay. It was such an amazing experience. We had like the best time. I really recommend you to do these day trips if you visit Phuket. They're like totally worth every penny. At number 2 on my list are the luxurious Thai spas in Phuket. As we all know, Thai massages are really famous and I don't think there is any other better place to experience this than in Thailand. There are 2 ways to experience this, either at a luxurious spa center or there are many local spa centers which are very reasonably priced. You can't expect a luxurious ambience, but their services are brilliant. Finally, at number 1 on my list is definitely the Phuket Nightlife. Bangalore Road is the notorious heart of all Phuket nightlife, and the battle for night supremacy is raging between the beer bars, live music, rooftop bars, dance bars, nightclubs, and of course, those famous go-go bars. All you have to do is take a walk in this lane and choose your favorite hangout spot for the night. One of my favorite was Illusion. They definitely know how to party hard. I hope you find these top 5 recommendations useful. If you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and do subscribe to my channel.